Just, you know, construction right outside of my window. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Wiggin' Out with Bobby Z, hosted by me, Bobby Z. And today we got a product unboxing. I was sent this box by the queen of rainbow hair, Cynthia Lumzy, to help celebrate the launch of some new products in her main candy shop hair and wig product line. All right, so here's what I got. I got a black box with pink, yellow, green, and blue viruses and germs all over them. There's a yellow like spray mark right here, and it says rush them out in red in the middle. It's the same print on all sides of the box. Main Candy logo right here, and her Instagram handles and website down here. All right, let's get this open. New and exclusive hair sanitizer called Suga Rush. 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Can be used on all natural hair, wigs, synthetic hair, and beards. Disinfects your hair by eliminating up to 99% of all bacteria. Say goodbye to the germs off your hairbrushes and combs. Refreshes and soothes the scalp, and refreshes your hair in between washes. These little packing worms, these are always a lot of fun. And I received here with the mission and the crew perks of being in the Main Candy crew. All of the candy and goodies were a much appreciated surprise. Thanks again, Cynthia. Okay, so we got another card in here. This is the Suga Rush Advertisement Card, new and exclusive hair sanitizer. Again, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. It says, spray liberally on dry hair, then brush through to distribute. Hair will dry in 3 to 5 minutes, void of unwanted bacteria and odor. You also can use it on your scalp directly by spraying a generous amount on the scalp to provide a cooling sensation. Extra bonus, when being used on the scalp, it'll relieve tightness and itchiness from braids, locks, or ponytails. There was so much candy in this box. My snack drawer at the studio is overflowing, and I couldn't be happier. I also got this little lemon hand sanitizer that came in a handy little keychain, and lemon scented anything is my favorite. Also a big box of Skittles right here. Also a yellow wet brush, which I love to use on human hair wigs extensions as well as my own hair, and I can always use a spare. I also got an infuser water bottle with her logo, a pack of Starburst, and a handy little silicone thing to help make your mask more comfortable. All right, and then here is the main attraction, the Main Candy Suga Rush hand sanitizer. Meet the disinfecting treat. This cutting-edge, quick-drying antibacterial spray is formulated to instantly refresh, disinfect, deodorize your extensions or real hair, all while combating 99% of bacteria that can be present. Again, 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Made with love. It can relieve tightness from braids. It eliminates odor. It can disinfect hair, eliminating up to 99% of bacteria. And it also refreshes your scalp, soothes an itchy scalp. Has a sweet fragrance, which I could kind of smell already. Bonus, works perfectly on synthetic hair. Alright, so even though I always check the ingredients, as any good curly girl does, I'm not going to try to butcher all of the pronunciation of these words. So, sorry about it. Yeah, that's Suga Rush right here, and I'm going to try it out and see how it smells. And I'm using this Cruella de Vil wig from a photo shoot I did like 2 weeks ago. I'm going to spray the inside of the wig liberally. A lot of times when you're wearing wigs, that's where the smell starts first, is on the inside. And I'll also give some of the hair a little spritz too. I really like the smell, actually. It's kind of menthol-y. You definitely get the witch hazel in there. Hear me out. It's kind of reminiscent of Vicks Vapor Rub. In a good way. Like, it smells good. And it smells fresh. But it also kind of clears your nasal passages. As someone who suffers from crazy allergies, I definitely appreciate clearing my sinuses. While that synthetic wig was drying, I did look up the ingredients to see if they are Curly Girl approved, and they are. There are humectants and glycerin in this, but otherwise, it is a Curly Girl approved product as long as you proceed with caution. So now that I know that, I'm going to try it on my hair. This is day 3 hair, and my scalp, since I've been growing out my hair, my scalp has gotten very tender, especially if I don't wash my hair for like a week, which is most of the time. So I'm just gonna go in and spray this at my root and kind of just work it in. And that peppermint oil definitely comes through. That's what's clearing out my sinuses, is that peppermint. Just kept repeating until my roots felt nice and saturated, and then I did use some on my mid-lengths and ends just to refresh my curl a little bit. Smells really good, I like it. Let's let this dry for a while and I'll report back. All right, so my hair is mostly dry. It is a little damp. I did end up putting a little water on it just to make my curls a little tighter. It has a little bit of a peppermint smell still, which I don't mind because again, it's refreshing. And my sinuses are still super clear, which yes, very happy about that. And like any sort of wet product does, it did give me some curl revitalization. I do have product in my hair, and this is 3-day hair, so I'm not sure if the actual spray itself gave me this little bit of a cast or if that's just from what I already have in my hair. But either way, I don't mind it, because that's what a scrunch is for. Breaks it up. All right, and then here's my wig. And the hair of the wig is dry. It did dry fully. There is no lingering peppermint smell on the outside of the wig. Although I did focus most of my spraying on the inside of the wig because that's where most bad smells start in your wigs. And this is still damp. It's been about an hour. Don't be a dummy like me and soak the inside of the cap with it. Great. Give it a couple sprays so that it can actually dry, otherwise you're gonna be waiting a long time. I feel like the product worked well. It gave my hair a nice refresh. It made my scalp feel nice and tingly. Cleared out my sinuses, smells really good. Yeah, and I definitely would recommend this product if you're looking for a sanitizing agent for your wigs. Now for me, I think this will definitely come in handy when I get wigs back from rental packages, or if I have any instances where performers have to share wigs. I think this will definitely come in handy for something like that. Now, I was sent this package in advance, and this is being recorded in advance before the product has been released, so I'm not sure of the pricing of it. I'm not sure of the direct link to purchase the product, but I will insert all of that here in the video. I'll also put it down in the description bar below. All right, so I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys very soon for another fun video. Bye.